I'm going to show you today is how to take apart the ramp. You might be moving, you might want to go on holiday to your beach house and take the ramp with you. So what I've done is I've taken the top surface off, so it had a nice surface of marine ply. So I've undone these bolts here at the back. So I'm just going to show you how easy it is to take this side apart, and then we'll take the ramp apart. Now all the bolts are out. What we're going to do is now take it apart. So these come in sections. This is one of them. This is your platform. This is your next section. These are quite heavy, as you can see. This one over here. These are all really strong. 4 layers of plywood. And then we'll just take apart the other side. And then we'll just remove these 2 bolts, here and here. Flat will come off, transitions come off. How easy is that? The reason it's been designed like this is when it's modular, it's easy to take apart, put together. If you need to change the ply on it, really easy to do. So these come in different sizes, 2 foot, 3 foot and 4 foot. And we can even custom make 5 foot ramps. It's up to you really what you want at the end of the day. These feet here are optional. Now these are adjustable. As you can see, I've got these bricks. This just takes them off the ground a little bit further. And all we've got to do is undo these 3 down here on each corner, and the ramp is taken apart.